Well, there I'm back home, getting my backpack. Now I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to Quick Trip on 23. Yeah, when you're worrying about your tires, you don't really fucking remember to bring everything with you. No, you don't. It's gonna be a long, well, pretty long video. Because I didn't have my e-bike for like 4 days. So, well, I had it, but I couldn't fucking ride it. I couldn't ride it because I couldn't get the fucking tires. Yeah, couldn't get the tires right. No, I couldn't. Yes, I just go right down here to Marathon, but Marathon does not carry Pepsi in 2 liters. They just don't. I don't know why, but they don't. And if they do, that means they fucking sell out like automatically. Yeah, automatically. So basically after 10 o'clock, I don't have, anywhere to go. It's a Quick Trip. Maybe Walgreens, but yeah, these tires don't hum like the other ones, but they're more directional. It just sounds good. It does. It does. Wind is wicked, but still 40 degrees, so it's not bad. Still sucks when you get tires that you ordered on eBay, and when they packaged them, they bent the tire cord that holds on the rim, and I had to find out how to straighten that back out because I didn't know how. And then how to get, because every time I aired it up, it just keeps popping off the rim, which royally sucked. Christmas lights. It took me a few days to get it fixed. And those days were still too cold to to ride my motorcycle, so wasn't riding those either. I wasn't riding nothing. Yeah, wasn't riding nothing. No, I wasn't. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, I can just go up here and around. I know Coburn's gas station's still open. Yes, I had to go take a ride. But no, I didn't videotape my way back from Highway 10 quick trip because that would have been a totally worthless video. Oh, that wind. Yes, it is. New tar. Beautiful. Wait. Okay, I'll wait. I'm not turning you out until I get to quick trip. Yeah, he's just showing off. Showing off with a big truck. The bike's quiet again. Yeah, quiet. Not a loud truck. Jesus. Oh, car. The Dodge Charger. Or Challenger. Whatever the fuck you want to call it. Charger, Challenger. Yeah. Loud sports car. Yeah. It's pretty. Yeah. It's a pretty white car. Oh, there, I'll stop you there after giving you a look at it. Yeah, it seems to be running okay, but it's quieter anyway. God, I don't know what they're doing over there. I'm gonna go buzz some cops. Let's buzz them. Buzz them. Get her up in 4. Do I have any idea which way I want to go home? No. Haven't figured it out yet. No, I haven't figured out which way I want to go home. Probably go down Division, but probably what I always do. Oh. I want this light to switch. Quick. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Walk sign is on. Go ahead. I don't want to disrupt traffic. Pretty cop car. I like the new tar. So but I still don't think my tires are balanced. So it'll work itself out, I think. Should. I just had to go check out the cops. And see some lights. So I think that's cool. Yeah, look at that. That's kind of pretty. Yeah. I'm just checking out Christmas lights. Hearing puppy dogs in the distance. Rough, rough, rough. And I know I'm not faster than a dog. Half the dogs can do over 20. For short distances. Short distances. Oh, there. We're back out on Division Street. Highway 23 going through St. Cloud, Minnesota. Wow, she's chewing that battery up quick. Even though she's rolling good. I don't know. Should be a green light. Yeah. Fucking people. The wind ain't helping. Oh, she's recalibrating. She's quiet now. Cars. people. Yeah. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, she's been sitting anyway, so in 4 days the battery's probably lost some charge. On the wind, she don't like it. I wouldn't like it either. It's cold, windy. Yeah, cold and windy. Back it off the 4. I'll probably end you at Lake George. Yes, I'll probably end you down here somewhere. What the hell was that sound? Ooh, duckies everywhere. Don't they know how to fly south? It doesn't help that I know my tires are squishy, so I ain't getting the speed out of them I can. Right now I kind of got set up for snow. And yeah. I'm going to stop you up here at the pavilion thing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next ride. Charlie Brown, over and out. And yeah, I switched it back to Charlie Brown, Minnesota because that's who I am. So, have a good one, everybody.